Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered potatoes. You will need 3 large potatoes, 2½ cups of chicken stock, 1 small onion, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. To a large pot, add your water and potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, then bring your water to a boil. After your water has come to a boil, allow your potatoes to cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, pour off your water, then rinse with cold water. Using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now saute your onions for 3 minutes. Now add your flour and cook until your flour is golden brown. Now add your chicken broth. Season with the salt, pepper, seasoned salt, Cajun seasoning, and onion powder, and mix until well combined. Bring your liquid to a light simmer, then continue to cook until your gravy has thickened. Now add the potatoes, then cover and continue to cook for an additional 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab